Are you looking for a way to make your own aloe vera oil? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to be making my aloe vera oil. So if you'd like to see how I am able to do this, keep watching. If today is your first time on this channel, my name is Joy Nwaba. And on this channel, I talk about natural hair. I also talk about gray hair in hopes of inspiring other women who are prematurely graying to feel comfortable in their own hair. And also on the channel, I talk about beauty, lifestyle, I do vlogs. In fact, I talk a little about everything. So if you'd like to join the family, just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss any videos from me again. So family, with that being said, let's get into the video. So here is my aloe vera plant, freshly got from my garden. And I have also washed the plant so I don't get any dirt inside my oil. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to take the aloe vera plant and cut the sharp thorn from the side of the leaf. After that, I'm going to cut and slice it into cubes. I'll take a pan, apply coconut oil and add the aloe vera cubes to it. Stir slowly. The oil will slowly start turning brown. And when that is done, you know your oil is ready. Then I let it cool and strain it. Yeah, the oil is made. All right. And after that, I'm going to pour the oil into my applicator bottle for easier application. And that is it. The oil is made. Okay, guys, just keep washing, okay? Okay. So guys, this part is not important. It is optional. What I'm doing is to, wait to loosen the gel to bring out all the goodness inside the plant. So that's just what I'm doing here, okay? It feels softer right now. You can actually use your finger to do this if you want. So family, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to slice it like so. Slicing it this way makes the cooking process easier and faster. So family, now that I am done slicing my aloe vera plant into pieces, what I'm going to do now is to go in with my coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but on this recipe, I am using my coconut oil. As you can see, the oil is blocked, it's natural because here is winter. So after that, I'm going to add aloe vera plants inside the pan and I'll start stirring slowly. Aloe vera oil is an amazing oil. Aloe vera hair oil is basically created by combining oil gel with a carrier oil. To obtain this infusion, you could use any carrier oil which is good for your hair, such as olive oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, coconut oil. And so for this today, I am using coconut oil. So when you mix the two, it creates a blend. Their mix rejuvenates your hair cells, which stimulates the synthesis of collagen and other factors involved in hair growth. So since aloe vera and coconut oil are rich in vitamins and minerals, so family, applying this oil may exert skin lightening and anti-aging effects. It can heal dark spots, wrinkles, stretch marks, and dry skin issues. Using it on your hair and scalp keeps healthy, strong, and dandruff-free hair. More still, aloe vera may help activate new hair growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp and delivering several important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Coconut oil and aloe vera makes an excellent conditioning combination which helps seal moisture to your hair shaft. This oil will contribute to maintaining your hair so you won't have to get trims as often, letting you retain your hair length. Aloe vera also softens and conditions the hair. Regular use of aloe vera oil helps restore shine. It also helps curb hair fall and controls hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. So as you can see, the aloe vera plant has turned brown into the coconut oil. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the fire and then I'm going to leave it to cool. So after that, I'm going to strain it. Take the oil and throw the chaff away. Guys, this is what I use. This is my hose. I like using this because it does the job well, so you can use whatever you want. I'll pour the oil inside my applicator bottle for easy application. So guys, as you can see, the oil is done and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope that you should be able to make your aloe vera oil by yourself. Okay guys, so that will be all from me today. If this video was helpful, share with your family and friends and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload new videos. And also leave your suggestion on the comment section on what you'd like to see on my YouTube videos and what topic you would like me to cover. I'll see you all in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.